I'm going to show here for loop, control flow, and here to show you, if you can see. Okay, I'm going to create a file touch. You can give any file name. Let's say for loop. For loop. This is not the nice name. Java PM for loop. Class name, class for loop. Same name you have to use. This is a class body. And now main method, public static void main string yes, and this is, now I'm going to write here for loop, correct? Here for integer I equal to 0, I 5, this is just syntax. This is just syntax. This is increment operator. Now I'm going to print system dot out dot println I. Okay. Here, this is our for body, okay, and this is, there is three part. This is the integer I, we are assigning a value I equal to 0, so it is going to print here 0, and this is increment operator. Now after printing it, it comes here. This is I plus means increment operator I equal to I plus 0. Simply it means next value I equal to I plus 0. So our next value is going to here, sorry, I plus 1, I plus 1, this plus 1. So it means our value is, this value is 0, this is 0, and it comes as 0, and our this I is equal to 0. It means 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So our next value is 1. Here our next value is 1. Now we are going to check the condition here. 1 and 5 is greater than 1. So this statement is true. When this statement true, is going to print again. So this is going to print 1. Then again it comes an increment operator I plus plus. It means I equal to I plus 1. So our value is 1. The next value is going to 2. It is going to print 2. It is going to print 3. It is going to print 4. It is going to print 5 equal to 5. When it is 6, 5 greater than 6, it is false, and it will exit from the loop. Right, now try this. Now compile this Java C and Java for loop. You see it is printing 0 to 5. Alright, that's all. This is for loop. Thank you.